I bought quite a few bottles of these during the pandemic, but not because of the pandemic. I might have had one. I can't remember how I discovered that this was... Oh, I know why I bought it. I told you. My friend said alcohol will stop the itching. And it does. It's not like it stops it forever. It'll start itching again maybe in a day or two or when I sweat, but eventually it does. So mosquito bite out on my walk today. Darn it. I paused. I was on the phone with my friend. I paused for a moment, and sure enough. And then I was holding the phone and a mosquito landed here, but boop. Well, I shoot him away. Her, remember? It's the females. All right. This, I got this at Target and I have extras. This is my mosquito stingy stubber. Just look at that mess of messiness. Not much I can do about that. I only have so many trellises I can tie up. Well, maybe I will try to do something because I want the watermelon and cantaloupe to grow over as well. I'm trying to set the water timer automatically. The new beehive. Look at these fun things. I'm getting a little bit of chlorosis. Did I ever show you that these grapes are starting to turn? They do have seeds, by the way. Cute, cute. Snag that one. Seeds. I don't care. Tastes good. I haven't seen my dove again lately. Sad about that. I don't see that timer going off either. I'm gonna go check and see what's going on. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna catch on video here, but let's see what I can do here. Now what? Trying to organize things for my imminent disappearance. What does it mean when a hummingbird stays now? He's been sitting there for 5 minutes. Just looking around. He does have a little feeder here, but he hasn't gone to it. He's just sitting there. We always see him in action. Never really see him just sitting around. That was my loud air conditioner cutting off. With thunderstorms around us. Just a few drops here. Some extended rust. He appears to be green with a red head, or a red throat. Well, that's what I would have expected him to do, is go back and forth, but he took an extended break. So cute. Got it magnified quite a bit. The nature of these rains is that you can get up in the morning and there's no rain predicted at all. But by late afternoon, it gets so hot that it brings the moisture down. This is not a monsoon, but it is the season. We haven't had a monsoon here yet. It's just rain, a little bit of wind, very necessary. Let's see, what is the temperature? Oh, definitely some wind. Oh, it's 88 and it's, I think it's about 6 o'clock. It smells great. You know, rain often smells so clean. I have great memories of rain wherever I've lived. Most often on tropical islands. Not really sure what I'm going to do with it. Not really sure what I'm going to do with anything. Just set up irrigation and hope for the best. But I don't know about the vegetables, including the watermelon. It's a strange situation, but I cannot wait for my crops to ripen before I run away. I just can't. I'm not getting bit right this minute either, so that's the good news. I'm probably going to set irrigation on top of these guys. You know, I am loving this indigo ruby, but I don't think it's going to be here when I get back. There'll be a lot of rotten stuff, and I'd rather, you know, not invite that watermelon that went bad was in the bag. I didn't know it had gone bad. I tend not to check them once they're in. It had, I think it was some kind of, well, a whole bunch of black things flew out, and they were big and they were buzzy, and I think they were, well, it was nasty. It was out of a horror movie, and so I threw the scarf away, I threw everything away, and I bagged it up, and I don't want that happening again, so I may just have to harvest everything pretty early, and that's okay. There's always another few months, another year. There's always the store. I came out to water some of the stuff that's not on irrigation, and it kind of started sprinkling on me, so I quit. I do have to put a few more things on irrigation. I say a few, it's probably more than a few, but it's not as bad as I think. It's doable. I'll have done what I could. Oh, this is so wonderful. suits my mood. Arizona, right? My guess is most people appreciate this rain. It'll be cooling off next week, actually. It'll be in the, low 90s, but the nights are going to get into the 60s. Well, that's a little unusual, I would say, for us at the end of July, beginning of August. Don't you think that sounds a little cool?